If your kitchen feels overcrowded, cluttered, and there's never enough counter space, you're going to love this list. Today we're checking out smart Amazon finds made to organize messy kitchens, free up small countertops, and make everyday cooking feel way easier. These products help maximize storage, reduce chaos, and turn tight spaces into something far more functional. Some of these upgrades are genuinely satisfying once you start using them. And yes, every product link is waiting for you in the description below. Opening the lineup with this Nest 9 Plus prep set, it is one of the smartest ways to organize a crowded kitchen fast. Instead of storing separate bowls, measuring cups, colanders, and strainers everywhere, everything stacks neatly into one compact tower. That means cleaner cabinets, easier access, and less drawer chaos during meal prep. It's perfect for apartments, tiny kitchens, or anyone short on storage space. You still get multiple everyday tools without the clutter of separate pieces. Most versions are usually priced around $45 to $60. Gliding into a seriously useful upgrade, this portable range hood helps solve smoke, grease, and lingering cooking smells in kitchens with weak ventilation. It pulls steam and airborne oil away from your workspace, helping keep counters and walls cleaner over time. The detachable aluminum filter and oil cup make cleanup simple, so it stays practical for regular use. Great for frying, tabletop grilling, or hot pot nights. Compact enough for smaller spaces and easy to move when needed, usually priced around $70 to $110. Keeping the momentum rolling, this 3-blade tabletop spiralizer makes meal prep faster while replacing bulkier slicing tools. It turns vegetables into noodles, ribbons, and spirals for salads, stir-fries, curly fries, or healthier pasta swaps. The StrongHold suction base helps keep it steady while cranking, making it safer and easier to use. Instead of dragging out a processor for simple jobs, this compact gadget handles it quickly and stores neatly afterward. Great for anyone wanting healthier meals with less mess, usually around $35 to $50. Flowing straight into a fan favorite, this hand-cranked cheese grater saves time and effort during meal prep. It quickly shreds cheese, vegetables, nuts, chocolate, and more with rotating blades while keeping fingers safer than standard box graters. The non-slip suction base helps keep it stable on the countertop for smoother operation. It's faster than manual graters and easier to clean than many electric machines. Perfect for pasta nights, tacos, salads, and baking prep. Most versions sell around $25 to $40. Sliding into breakfast convenience, this pancake batter mixer makes one of the messiest kitchen jobs surprisingly clean. You add ingredients directly into the bottle, mix with the BlenderBall whisk, then pour straight onto the pan without extra bowls or dripping ladles. That means fewer dishes, quicker prep, and cleaner countertops. It also works for waffles, cupcakes, muffins, and quick baking mixes. If you enjoy homemade breakfast but hate cleanup afterward, this is a smart fix, usually priced around $15 to $25. Moving ahead with a simple winner, this manual lemon squeezer helps extract more juice with less effort while filtering seeds automatically. The dual gear pressing system gives stronger leverage so you waste less fruit and get fresh juice fast. Perfect for lemonade, tea, marinades, seafood, cocktails, or quick cooking prep. Unlike bulky electric juicers, it stores easily and cleans in seconds. Small tools that save time daily are always worth having, and this one definitely earns space fast. Usually available around $18 to $30. Coming up next, this ergonomic potato masher upgrades a basic tool with better comfort and smarter performance. The soft grip handle feels easier in hand, while the sturdy nylon head mashes potatoes smoothly without scratching nonstick cookware. It also works well for avocados, bananas, squash, and cooked vegetables. Compared with heavy metal mashers, this feels lighter and easier to control during prep. It's one of those essentials you end up using more than expected. Most options are around $15 to $25. Keeping things practical, this stainless steel potato ricer is the secret behind smoother, fluffier mashed potatoes. Instead of over-mixing with forks or mixers, it presses cooked potatoes through small holes into soft strands for better texture. It also works for sweet potatoes, cauliflower mash, baby food, and soft vegetables. The stainless steel body feels durable, while long handles help reduce effort during pressing. If texture matters in comfort food, this tool makes a real difference, usually priced around $30 to $45. Switching into cleanup mode, this 12-pack of microfiber cloths is one of the easiest upgrades for a cleaner kitchen every day. These cloths trap grease, spills, fingerprints, dust, and water spots quickly without scratching surfaces. Use them on counters, appliances, sinks, stovetops, or glass for a polished finish. Since you get multiple cloths, you can assign different ones for different tasks. Reusable cleaning tools like this save money, reduce waste, and keep spaces looking fresh, usually priced around $12 to $20. Moving on with style and function, this 4-piece Teak spatula set upgrades daily cooking while reducing utensil clutter. You get multiple shapes for flipping, stirring, scraping, sautéing, and serving, so one matching set replaces random mismatched tools. Wooden utensils are gentle on non-stick cookware, helping prevent scratches during everyday use. Teak wood is known for durability and moisture resistance, adding long-term value. They also look great on the counter while staying practical daily, usually priced around $20 to $35. Quick heads up, if any of these smart kitchen finds caught your attention, all product links are waiting for you in the description below. Now launching into the next pick, this milk frother wand is a tiny gadget that adds cafe-style upgrades to your kitchen in seconds. It quickly whips milk into light foam for lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, matcha, and protein drinks without needing a bulky machine. The handheld design stores easily in a drawer and feels great for small kitchens with limited counter space. It's fast, simple, and surprisingly fun to use every day. If you love better drinks at home, this is a smart grab, usually around $12 to $20. Rolling right into breakfast convenience, this non-stick egg frying pan makes quick meals faster and cleaner. Its divided cooking sections help you prepare eggs, pancakes, or small breakfast items neatly without ingredients mixing together. The non-stick surface means less oil, easier flipping, and faster cleanup afterward. It works on gas stoves and many induction setups, making it versatile for daily use. Perfect for busy mornings when speed matters. Compact pans like this save time while keeping meals organized, usually priced around $20 to $35. Keeping the energy high, this sandwich cutter and sealer turns ordinary lunches into something fun and tidy. It cuts crusts off bread while sealing the edges, creating homemade pocket sandwiches filled with peanut butter, jam, cheese, or other favorites. Great for kids, meal preps, snacks, or reducing wasted leftovers creatively. It also helps portion food neatly and looks satisfying to use. Instead of buying expensive pre-made versions, you can make your own fresh anytime. Most versions cost around $10 to $18. Flowing into dessert duty, this ice cream scoop is one of those tools that feels simple but makes a huge difference. The comfortable handle gives better grip while scooping frozen desserts, cookie dough, melon, mashed potatoes, or soft-serve treats. A strong scoop head cuts through harder ice cream more easily than flimsy spoons. It also helps create cleaner, uniform portions for serving or baking. Durable kitchen tools like this last for years and get used often, usually available around $12 to $22. Gliding into another practical helper, this egg slicer makes food prep cleaner, faster, and more consistent. It slices hard-boiled eggs into even sections in seconds, perfect for salads, sandwiches, ramen, or breakfast plates. Many people also use it for strawberries, mushrooms, soft cheeses, and similar foods, giving it more value than expected. Instead of uneven knife cuts, you get neat presentation with less effort. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and easy to store afterward. Most options are priced around $10 to $18. Moving smoothly into serving mode, this Super Tail soup ladle adds both function and fun to the kitchen. Its deep scoop design helps serve soup, stew, chili, sauces, and broths with less dripping and better control. The balanced handle feels comfortable in hand, while the playful design adds personality during meals. It's one of those small tools that makes serving easier while looking more interesting than standard ladles. Great for family dinners or gatherings, usually priced around $15 to $25. Shifting into another kitchen essential, this stainless steel strainer ladle is perfect for frying, boiling, and lifting foods quickly. It helps remove pasta, dumplings, vegetables, fried snacks, or eggs while letting excess water or oil drain away instantly. The stainless steel build feels durable and handles heat better than weaker plastic tools. It's one of those versatile utensils you reach for more often than expected. Great for daily cooking and faster cleanup too. Most versions are usually around $12 to $20. Sliding into a clever multitasker, this 3-in-1 herb chopper combines cutting, mincing, and stripping into one compact tool. It helps process herbs like parsley, cilantro, basil, or mint quickly without dragging out knives and boards for small jobs. The retractable and detachable design also makes cleaning easier after use. Great for fresh garnishes, salads, sauces, and meal prep where speed matters. Multi-use tools like this save drawer space while staying practical, usually found in the $15 to $25 range. Turning towards something fun, this retro hot dog and bun toaster brings quick snack making with a playful twist. It toasts buns while heating hot dogs or veggie links at the same time, helping you make classic meals faster with less hassle. The retro style also adds personality to the countertop without taking much space. Great for parties, movie nights, kids' meals, or casual lunches. It includes mini tongs for easier serving too, usually priced around $30 to $50. Closing the list with a standout gadget, this rotating countertop oven is built for fast, efficient cooking without heating the whole kitchen. The rotating tray helps cook pizza, snacks, wings, quesadillas, and frozen foods more evenly while saving energy compared with larger ovens. It's especially useful in apartments, dorms, or hot weather when using a full oven feels excessive. Compact appliances like this can become everyday favorites quickly, a strong finale for the list, usually around $70 to $110. And that wraps up today's best Amazon kitchen organizers for small kitchens, messy counters, and smarter storage. If your space feels crowded, even one of these finds can make a big difference fast. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds that actually solve everyday problems. And as always, every product link is waiting for you in the description below.